Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys a Bitcoin update. Looks like it's the calm before the storm, guys. Don't get fooled. Bitcoin is being boring right now. It's just consolidating, but it's the calm before the storm, guys. It's about to break 100,000 and go parabolic, guys. Also, we're gonna give you guys a XRP and XLM update, and we're gonna talk about the ETH betas. Are they about to start running, guys? Are they about to start rallying? That is the question. We'll find out, guys. So let's get right into it, guys. Like always, I like to start off with crypto bubbles, guys. See how the day is going for the top 100 cryptocurrencies. Looks like it's mostly green. I only see a few coins that are in the red. But it is a green day for the top 100 cryptocurrencies. Leading the way is one of the channel favorites, XLM. It's still up 41% up for the last 24 hours. Then we got DOT. DOT's making a move. It's up 33% for the day. Finally, DOT is moving. Then we got Mana. It's up 23.3% up for the day. Then we got SAND. It's up 31.5% for the day. Jasmine Coin, another one of the channel's favorites, it's up 22% for the days. So yeah, guys, a lot of coins are in the green. Everything seems to be trending upwards. So the trend is bullish, and we gotta keep trading with the trend because the trend is your friend until the end, guys. So stay bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency because we are right in the beginning of the parabolic phase of the bull run, guys. So let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. See what Bitcoin is doing. Current price of Bitcoin right now at the time of recording is $98,319. It seems to just be consolidating. It did make the current all-time high of $99,800. Right around there, $99,890. Just yesterday. And we have been consolidating. We did get as low as like 97,000, but right now we bounced back to 98,315, guys. But we got just like $150 away from 100K. It's wanting to tap 100K. It'll probably keep tapping it for the next day or two, guys. But probably sometime, I'm thinking probably by Monday. Probably on Monday, we'll break through 100,000 K. We'll blast off and go parabolic. We'll pass 110K, and we'll probably pass 120K and 130K. And I believe by sometime between Thanksgiving and December 4th, we'll probably reach right around 140,000. That is my price target, guys. Right now we got to break through 100,000, and that'll probably happen on Monday. Now, why do I think Bitcoin is going to be around 140,000 sometime between Thanksgiving and December 4th? Well, that's simple. Let me explain it to you guys. If you guys haven't seen some of my previous videos, let me explain it to you guys. Because on the two previous cycles, even on the 2013 cycle, Bitcoin once it breaks price discovery, it does a 100% move, and it takes about 3 to 4 weeks to do that 100% move. Let me pull up the 2016, 2017 cycle, and then I'll show you the 2020 and 2021 cycle as well, how it does that 100% move every time in about 3 to 4 weeks. So let's see, we're almost there. Alright, guys, so here we are in 2016. Let's find out November here. Actually, in this 2016-2017 cycle, the previous all-time high in 2013 was $1,240. So in 2013, Bitcoin topped off at $1,240, and that was the previous all-time high. And then it wasn't until like March 17 where it started tapping the all-time. March 10 of 2017 when Bitcoin started tapping that 1240 all-time high that it made in 2013. It tapped it. It got as high as 1336 on March 10 of 2017, but it didn't go into price discovery yet. It kept going sideways, and then it wasn't until April 27 of 2017 where it actually broke above price discovery of 240, and and it rallied from there. See, on April 27 of 2017, the open was 1292, so that's when it broke the previous all-time high, and it closed at 1340. So and after that, every day after that, it was above 1300. So it just kept rallying. It rallied. So from April 27 up to 2017, it rallied all the way until May 25th of 2017. So and it did a 100% move, because on April 27, it was right around $1,300. Give or take a few dollars. It broke the previous all-time high and went into price discovery. Let's just call it $1,300. See right there, it was right around $1,300. It broke the previous all-time high, went into price discovery, and it did a 100% move all the way until May 25th of 2017, and it topped off right around $2,700, guys. So yeah, on May 25th of 2017, the high was $2,766. So it did about a little bit over a 100% move, and it did it in 28 days, from April 27, 2017 to May 25th, 2017. That's 28 days, guys. So that's 4 weeks. So that's in the 2016-2017 cycles, when Bitcoin went into price discovery. That's price discovery, in case you don't know, is when Bitcoin breaks its previous all-time high. It took 28 days or 4 weeks to do a 100% move. Now let's go to the 2021 cycle and see what Bitcoin did once it broke price discovery. All right, we're getting there. 2019. We want to get to 2020 cycle. Okay, here's 2020 right here. So in 2020, Bitcoin broke price discovery in December 16. Let me get it right here on the chart. So here's December 16. So the previous all-time high was so Bitcoin made an all-time high in December 2017 of $20,000. Here, let me show you. I should have showed you while I was going past it, but I didn't. But now I will. See, in 2017, Bitcoin rallied all the way. You saw how in April 27, it was $1,300. April 27, 2017, Bitcoin was $1,240. And then it topped off in December 17 of 2017, right under $20,000. So the high was $19,804. So that was the top of the bull run in December 17 of the year 2017. So now let's go to 2020. So once Bitcoin passed $20,000, which was the all-time high from December 17, 2017, it wasn't until December 16 right here. See, December 16. See, on December 15, it didn't pass $20,000, which was the previous all-time high. The previous all-time high was right under 20,000, but let's just call it $20,000 to for round numbers. So it wasn't until December 16 that Bitcoin went into price discovery, and it kept rallying for about 23 days. So it went from December 16, 2020. It broke price discovery of $20,000 for Bitcoin, and it kept rallying in price discovery all the way until January 8 of 2021. So from December 16 of 2020 to January 8 of 2021, that's about 23 days. So that's 23 days that Bitcoin rallied. So that's that's 3 weeks and 2 days. So 23 days. And it rallied from 20,000 all the way up to 42,000 on January 8. So basically, it did a little bit over 100% move again. So every time Bitcoin breaks into price discovery from the previous all-time high, it takes about 3 to 4 weeks to to do a 100% move. So now let's go to the current cycle. Let's go to the current cycle. Right now in 2024, where we're at right now, we're getting there. It's in price discovery right now. This cycle started going into price discovery in December 6th, the day after the election. So we all know that the previous all-time high was made in November 2021, and it was $69,000. So here we go, November 6th. Oh yeah, but after that, the November 2021 all-time high was 69,000. But then on March 18 of 2024, Bitcoin, it wicked into 73,600, and it made a new all-time high. So the all-time high was 73,600, and here we are right here in the November 6th. It finally broke the all-time high of 73,600, and it kept rallying from there. So from November 6th, it's been rallying all the way up to right now, November 24th. That's the trading days, November 24th. The current day here in the US is November 23, but the actual trading day is already November 24. So it's been rallying, since December 6th. Since November 6th, all the way until now. It's been rallying, but it's going to continue rally until it completes its 100% move, just like it did in the 2020-21 cycle, and like it did in the 2016-2017 cycle. And if we take 3 weeks from November 6th, that's November 27th. So and then 4 weeks would be around December 4th. So that's why I'm saying that sometime between November 27th to December 4th, Bitcoin is going to complete a 100% move. And that 100% move price is around 140K, because the previous all-time high was 73,600. So if you 100% move would be around $146,000. So it could get as high as $146,000, guys. But I'm just being conservative. I do believe we're gonna get to at least 140,000 by Thanksgiving Day. Sometime between Thanksgiving Day and December 4th, I do see Bitcoin rallying all the way up to 140K, guys. So the time to be bullish on Bitcoin is right now. All the data shows that Bitcoin is going to do this 100% move sometime within November 27th and December 4th. So I'm thinking sometime between Thanksgiving and December 4th, we're going to see 140,000 Bitcoin price. Maybe even 146K. But I'm being conservative. I'm just saying 140K, guys. So don't get bearish on Bitcoin. Don't listen to the FUD out there. People are saying, we're not gonna, pass 100,000K. We're gonna start correcting. 99,000 was the local top. We're gonna make a 30% correction now. But I don't think so. I don't think that's the case. Usually, history repeats. It's not exact, but it rhymes. And history is showing that Bitcoin is going to do at least a 100% move in 3 to 4 weeks from November 6th, and it's going to top off right around 140K. Now, sometime between Thanksgiving Day and December 4th, I do see a local top coming in around 140K for Bitcoin, and then I see a 30% correction coming in for Bitcoin. So let's just say Bitcoin is right around 140K when it starts when it makes that local top. After a 30% correction would be about like a dollar, like right around like $1, right around $1, not $1, right around $100,000 is what I meant to say. Sorry about that. Yeah, so if Bitcoin's around 140K, once it starts making it, once it makes its local top and it does a 30% correction, it's going to correct 30%. It's going to be, right around 100,000 or a little bit less, somewhere, somewhere around $100,000. It might not even do a whole 30% correction. It might only do like a 20% correction. If it does a 20% correction, then it might only be, might only be like, like 110,000, right around there. So yeah, guys, stay bullish. Bitcoin. Right now, it's going to keep rallying. It's going to break through 100,000 and blast off, past 110K, past 120K, past 130K, and it'll probably do a local top around 140K sometime between Thanksgiving and December 4th, guys. So yeah, definitely look out for that, guys. Now let's get into the XRP not price prediction, into the XRP update. Okay, current price at XRP at the time of recording right now is $1.47. Let's look at the local chart here real quick. See, it's been mooning ever since the elections. It's from November 5th. Now, if you would have listened to my previous videos, according to the charts from previous cycles, according to the history, I do expect XRP to make a local top on November 24, and we're already at the trading day of November 24. Now, the question is, did the local top come in one day before I was calling it? Maybe it came in yesterday on the trading day of November 23rd. So maybe the local top already came in for XRP $1.63, or is this November 24 is it trading day? Is it going to have one last push above $1.63 and make one last one last local high before it does a correction? Well, it's looking like to me, since prices just consolidating, it's not moving much right now. It looks like maybe the local top came in for XRP. Looks like the local top came in one day earlier than I was expecting. Well, I mean, I always say, around, nothing's exact. I don't have a crystal ball. When I give dates, it's around those dates. Nobody could call it, to the T, unless you have a crystal ball or you're psychic, and if you do, well, that's good for you. But it looks like the local top came in one day before I was calling it, and it looks like it came in around $1.63. So we might see a correction for XRP. It might take a week or two to do like a whole 30% correction. So from $1.63, we might correct all the way down to like $1.10, $1.15, right around there, whatever 30% mask turns out to be. So definitely we might correct somewhere between like $1.15, $1.20, whatever 30% is from $1.63, guys. So I do think we're starting the correction for XRP. The last cycle, XRP did a major 75% correction once it made its local top on the first leg up. But I don't think we're going to do a major correction, like a 75% correction, because on the 2020 cycle, XRP or Ripple has just started the SEC Ripple case, and I believe it was suppressed by the Ripple SEC case, and that's why I had a major correction. This time around, I think it's going to have a very minor correction. I think it's only going to do like a 20% to a 30% correction from $1.63, because everything is very bullish for XRP right now. Gary Gensler, he basically resigned. He's put a post out that he's going to be out of the SEC by January 2025, basically when Donald Trump takes office. Gary Gensler is not going to be no longer the SEC chair guy. So that's why I think XRP is not going to correct that much like last cycle. I think it's only going to do like a 20 to 30% correction, and the correction might only last about a week. And once Bitcoin starts running again, it might even pull XRP up, because XRP is very bullish right now. So maybe the XRP correction is not even going to last so long. Maybe it only lasts like a week or a few days, guys. So don't be selling your XRP and try to catch the 30% correction and buy back in. Right now it's not the time to be doing those kind of moves, because we are in uncharted territory, because we're in a very bullish market for XRP. It's got everything going. Gary Gensler's out. Donald Trump, he's a pro president, and he's in. And we're probably going to have a pro crypto SEC chair by January 20. And the Senate and the Congress, they got like over 275 positions that are pro crypto. So everything's looking good for crypto in this cycle, guys. And on top of that, it is the the final blow off top for the 18.6 economic cycle. If in case you don't know about that, every 18.6 years, there's a blow off top for the economic cycle, which also affects the stock market and the crypto market. So basically, we're in the final stage where we're gonna have like a massive rally for stocks and cryptos, and they're gonna run super hard. People are gonna think that it's never gonna stop running. We're gonna have one blow off top, and then once the blow off top comes in, we're gonna have a big crash. But that's probably not gonna be until 2026. The crash is not gonna be until 2026. I do believe 2025 is gonna be bullish for stock market and for cryptos and the economy in general. And that big crash everybody's been anticipating is going to be in 2026, guys. But right now, let's not talk about that right now. I'll keep you updated in the channel when the time comes. But right now, be bullish on crypto, Bitcoin, XRP, because I do believe XRP is going to run super hard this cycle, guys. So definitely stay bullish on XRP. And I don't see a big correction coming in. Maybe just a 20% or 30% correction. But it might not last that long, guys, because if Bitcoin starts running again, it might pull up XRP again, guys. So we're basically in the correction from $1.63. We're in the correction right now, but I don't think it's going to last that many days, guys. Maybe a week or two tops, and then XRP will start running again, guys. So definitely look out for that too. Now, speaking of Gary Gensler, how he's going to be out, let me play this video to you guys. Who I think is going to be the next SEC chair once Donald Trump takes office. Let me play this video for you guys. His name is Mark Uyeda.
We've got a rally in stocks. As you can see, the Dow is up close to 300, but we do not at this point have a rally in Bitcoin. Still close to its all-time high. It's at 97.5 right now. Will it reach 100,000? We don't know. But when it does, if it does, you'll know about it first. The SEC Commissioner, Mark Uyeda, joins me now. Commissioner, Trump wants to make America the world's crypto capital. How will the next SEC chair make it happen?
Well, good morning, Stuart. One of the things that President Trump is absolutely right is the current administration's war on crypto needs to stop. There are a number of things that we can do with respect to crypto to help make America one of the global leaders in crypto. First off, from a regulatory perspective, we can provide the appropriate clarity. Some crypto is not even a security at all, but we need to make clear whether or not you fall within SEC jurisdiction or not. If you do, we need, again, a set of rules so those players in this space know what to do, whether it's making an offering, if you're a broker-dealer, how you handle those sorts of transactions, how you custody and safeguard those, what it means for asset managers. One of the other very important things we can do is to create safe harbors and regulatory sandboxes to allow that innovation to occur. And finally, we need to work with the Congress, the White House, and other federal regulatory agencies to make sure we have a cohesive and comprehensive approach to crypto.
Well, you seem to have a pretty firm grasp of where you want to take the SEC. Gensler steps down on January the 20th when Trump comes in. Would you want the job? Would you take it?
Well, that's a decision for the president to make. What I can tell you is that whoever steps in that job, there is a lot of work that needs to be done to address some of the regulatory excesses, not only at the SEC, but at other administrative agencies. There are a lot of new rules and regulations that were rolled out. There are a lot of unintended consequences, many of which will need to be addressed.
You sound like you're auditioning for the job because you're coming out with all the things that Trump wants to see, right? Are you auditioning? Are you throwing your hat in the ring?
Well, I'm just going back to my experience in the last transition we had with President Trump. I was fortunate to be on our executive staff as a senior advisor to acting Chairman Michael Pivovar, who was named by President Trump to take over the agency after the Obama administration. And there are so many things, like the situation was back then, that need to be addressed. Back then, it was many of the regulatory overreaches that resulted from implementation of the Dodd-Frank Act.
Mark, I think your hat is firmly in the ring as of right now. Mark Uyeda, thank you very much for being with us this morning. We really appreciate it, sir. Thanks a lot.
Well,
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Well, there you have it, guys. That's Mark Ugeta. That's what I think is going to be the next crypto SEC chair, guys. So definitely look out for Mark Ugeta. He might be the next crypto SEC chair. Well, not crypto, just the next SEC chair, guys. Who is pro crypto is what I meant to say. So he's going to be pro crypto. I'm not sure if Donald Trump's going to appoint him, but I have a feeling that he might be, because he's already in the SEC. He's already a commissioner in the SEC, and he seems to be pro crypto. And I remember on the hearing against Gary Gensler, he called out Gary Gensler, and he said he was totally against Gary Gensler's regulations against cryptocurrencies. So definitely that would be a good choice for us crypto holders if Mark Ugeta was the next SEC chair. But we'll see who Trump appoints, guys. Now let's get right into XLM update, guys. Looks like XLM is still mooning. Current price right now at the time of recording is 60 cents. Now if you would have listened to my previous videos, I did say XLM, I did expect it to do a local top around November 25th. It usually follows XRP about a day or two after XRP tops off, then XLM tops off. So it looks like XRP topped off on November 23rd, trading day November 23rd, and now XLM right now is trading day November 24th. So is XLM gonna top off on this trading day? Maybe whatever a price XLM closes at, whatever high it closes for November 24, it's gonna be its local top. And then it might start as 20 to 30% correction, just like XRP. Now I did say until November 25, so I do see XRP. I do see XLM running on this November 24 trading day. It'll probably make higher prices right now than it is right now. It already did get as high as 63 cents. So right now the current local top right now for XLM is 63 cents, but is it gonna keep rallying? It's still got over 15 hours till the day closes. Well, more than that really. It's got like over 20 hours till the November 24 trading day closes. So it might run higher than the local top right now, 63 cents, or that might be the local top. It might consolidate under, or it might keep running until November 25th trading day. And then might make near might make higher local highs, guys. But yeah, guys, I do expect XLM to top off either this trading day of November 24 or next trading day of November 25, guys. So whatever the local top comes in, it'll probably do like a 20 to 30% correction, just like XRP, and then it'll consolidate a little bit, and then it'll go for a next leg up. And both XRP and XLM are gonna rally hard this cycle, guys, and I do see them going into price discovery, and they're gonna make new all-time highs. I do see XLM and XRP topping off somewhere around in March or April of 2025, and I do see them getting into new all-time highs. For XLM, I do see a price range between like $3 to $5. So I do see XLM getting to at least $3, and could be as high as $5. And I've already said in previous videos for XRP, I do see XRP topping off this current cycle around $15. Next bull run cycle, I believe XRP will go even higher. But this bull run cycle, sometime in March of 2025, I see XRP making a bull run top around $15. And this bull run cycle, I see XLM topping off sometime in March or April of 2025 also, right around $3 to $5, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on XRP and XLM. It looks like they're going to run hard this cycle. I do think they're going to have mega gains. So definitely remain bullish on XRP and XLM. Don't listen to the FUD out there. XLM and XRP got everything going for it this cycle. They were suppressed on the 2020-2021 bull run by Gary Gensler and the SEC, because they did that. They sued Ripple, but now Ripple an SEC case is probably going to be thrown out or settled. sometime, when Donald Trump comes into office, I'm sure it'll be thrown out or settled. So that's going to make, if you see XLM and XRP running now, wait till the Ripple and SEC case is settled or thrown out. XRP is going to moon, and we all know XLM follows we all know XLM follows XRP, so XLM is going to moon too, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on XRP and XLM, and stay bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, because we are in the parabolic phase, just the beginning parabolic phase of the Bitcoin and crypto bull run cycle, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on the crypto market, guys. Now the question is, guys, what's gonna run next, guys? XLM, Bitcoin's running, XLM, XRP is running. A lot of the top coins are already running. We already got Solana already made a new all-time high above 260. I think it got a size like 264. We got Cardano is already running. It's already $1.08. Avalanche starting to run. Look at that. Stellar's already at number 12, right behind Avalanche. It was like in the 30s, in rank in CoinMarketCap. Now it's at number 12. Looks like Stellar's gonna come back to the top 10 in rank for cryptocurrency. It's gonna join its partner XRP in the top 10, guys. XRP's top 6 is number 6, and Stellar's number 12, guys. And don't miss out on Avalanche too. I think Avalanche is going to be the top 10 too at the end of the bull run. I see both XRP and Stellar and Avalanche in the top 10. They're going to remain in the top 10 at the top of the bull run, guys. So don't miss out on those, guys. As well as Solana and Ethereum, those are going to be top 10. I think Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Avalanche, and Stellar, those are like, what are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 blockchains: Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Avalanche, and Stellar. I think those are chosen blockchains that are not going anywhere. They're going to be around for a long time, maybe forever. And they're going to be staple names, here in 10 years, when everybody knows about cryptocurrency, they're going to be staple names. And those 5 blockchains, I do believe, are going to be around for a long time. They're like the new Amazons, the new Googles, the new Microsofts, the new Metas, the new Facebooks of this digital asset world, guys. So definitely, keep an eye on those 5 chains: Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, Stellar, and XRP. I don't think they're going anywhere, guys. I think they're the 5 chosen ones, and they're going to be around for a long time, guys. All right, like I was saying, guys, all these chains have started to run. Solana, XRP, even Dogecoin is running. Cardano, Avalanche, Stellar, they've all run. Even DOT's running. So what's next? I do believe Ethereum, has been it's been lagging. Ethereum is usually a lagger. In the previous cycles, Ethereum lagged too. But once it runs hard. So, Ethereum always has the last laugh. It runs super hard. So I do think, Ethereum's going to do the same thing this cycle. It's been lagging, but I think at any time, it could start running. So I think, if you still have some dry powder on the side, or, you haven't gotten into the cryptocurrencies, if you haven't bought any cryptocurrency yet, or you still have some dry powder to buy, I think the ETH betas might be a good play, because they haven't, since Ethereum hasn't started mooning yet, the Ethereum betas or layer 2s, they haven't mooned yet either. So they're still at low price compared to a lot of other coins. So it might be a good idea, to buy some layer 2s or ETH betas, guys. But again, guys, don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets what you're willing to lose, guys. Now, some of my favorite picks for ETH betas is like, Jasmy coin. Definitely look into Jasmy coin. Here, I'll pull it up in the bubbles better. Jasmy's got a small market cap, only a 1.24 market cap. It would have been better if you would have picked it up at 0.0028. But right now, it's at already, lost to zero. It's already at 0.025, but it's still got a small market cap, and it's got a lot of potential, guys. I mean, Jasmy, it's called they don't call it the Bitcoin of Japan for nothing. Jasmy is called the Bitcoin of Japan. So, I mean, you know what Bitcoin's done. So, anything, compared to Bitcoin, it's going to run hard. And it's definitely, it's got clarity in Japan. It's not going to, it's not going to get a rug pull. It's not going to go to zero. In case you don't know, Jasmy Coin, the founders or the creators, the CEO and president of Jasmy Coin are all like the most, 2 or 3 of them are Sony ex-executives. Like, I believe the president used to be the ex-CEO of the Sony corporation, and you know what he did with Sony. He made it like a #1 brand. He made that brand worldwide, and we all still know about Sony. Sony speakers, Sony PlayStation, Sony electronics. So definitely, the Jasmy team, they're ex-Sony executives. So those guys, I mean, those Japanese executives, they know how to market a product, and they always follow through in everything they start. They don't just give up. They just follow through until it's successful. So I do believe, even though Jasmy Coin has been struggling in the beginning, but it hit rock bottom at 0.0028, and once you hit rock bottom, there's nothing else but up. And these ex-Sony executives are going to make Jasmy moon, and even they themselves are predicting their target goal to make Jasmy successful is $17. They're targeting $17, guys. So even at 0.025, you're still early. I mean, if it does go to like $17, that's like that's like a moonshot. Let me see. It's like a 50x to $1. So 50 times 10 is like a 500x. So you're almost looking, like at like over like a 2000x. If it got to $17, guys. So I don't think it's going to get to $17 in this cycle, guys. But I do see Jasmy Coin getting to at least $1 in this cycle. Check out my Jasmy price prediction video if you want more analysis on that. But I do see Jasmy Coin getting at least to $1 this cycle, and maybe even $1.50, guys. So definitely look into Jasmy Coin. I think it's got a lot of potential. It's got like an AI narrative. It's got like a Internet of Things narrative. It's basically going to be like collect data. It's going to collect your data with their IoT devices, but instead of giving the data, you giving away the data free to companies, they're going to sell the data, and they're going to give you the rewards, guys. So they're basically doing what Facebook and Google and all these companies already do, but they're gonna reward you for it. They're gonna make Jasmy token go up, and you reap the rewards, guys. And also, in case you didn't know, Jasmy Coin has already all their coins in circulation. The total Jasmy coins total supply is 50 billion, and the circulating supply is 50 billion as well. So definitely the team's not going to dump on you or anything like that, guys. So definitely a lot of things going for Jasmy Coin. Now, another ETH beta that I recommend is XCN. This one hasn't run yet, guys. I'm just, I'm recommending coins that haven't run hard yet, that I think are going to do really good this bull run cycle. XCN, current price is 0.0018. I mean, the market cap is only 57 million, guys. So there's a lot of upside potential for XCN. Definitely don't miss out on XCN. It's a DeFi protocol, and it's layer 2 on Ethereum, and it's got a lot of heavy backers behind it. I mean, it's got the Nasdaq, Visa are behind it. So definitely don't miss out on Onyx Coin. Not to be confused with the JP Morgan private coin, also called Onyx Coin on the Avalanche blockchain. This is XCN Onyx Coin. Not the private chain by JP Morgan, guys. So yeah, guys, I mean, only $57 million market cap. I mean, this coin could 100x, guys. It could easily get to $5 billion market cap. It's an easy 100x, guys. If you guys were to invest it right now, guys. The previous all-time high was 18 cents. So you're basically looking about 100x if it just got to the previous all-time high, guys. So definitely look into Onyx Coin, guys. I definitely recommend it if you're still trying to find a low market cap coin to get into right now that I think is going to do good, guys. But again, guys, don't buy or sell any coin because I said so, guys. Do your own research, guys. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of good plays for the Ethereum blockchain. There's also like optimism. Here, let me get back into the 0-100 here. We're almost there. Come on, 1 to 100. We're here. All right, there's like optimism is also a good play for layer 2 for Ethereum betas, guys. You also don't want to miss out on the base coins. Base is a layer 2 on Ethereum, and all the base coins are going to do good. I mean, like Aerodrome Finance, that's very popular. Don't miss out on Aerodrome Finance. Here, let me pull it up. It's the #1 DEX on Base, and and Base is the Ethereum layer 2, and Base is also the Coinbase blockchain. And we all know Coinbase is the #1 exchange in the U.S. Even the Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, he's being nominated to be like the crypto czar. So I mean, Donald Trump might even make Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, the crypto czar for the U.S. So imagine if the Coinbase CEO is the crypto czar for the U.S. government. I mean, that's gonna make the base coins explode. Like Aerodrome Finance. Right now it's already moon. If you would have picked it up at the bottom of 8 cents when it first came out, it just started mooning from 8 cents right away. You'd be making some good gains right now. But even now, I still see a good I think it could get to like as high as like $8 this cycle, guys. $8 to $10 would be my tops. Aerodrome Finance. I mean, it's still a good 8x from the price of today. But if you're gonna hold it long term, I think it's gonna do good even in the next bull run. But I mean, if you would have picked it up at 8 cents, I mean, you would have easily done 100x. Because I do see Aerodrome Finance topping off in 2025 around like $8 to $10, guys. But yeah, these base coins are gonna run hard, guys, here pretty soon. Or if you're just interested in a quick trade, it might be a good idea to buy some Aerodrome Finance because it's been lagging. It's been it did get as high as like $2.50, and it's already retraced over 50 cents, and and it's been lagging, so it might start running pretty soon, guys. So it might be a good trade or a good hold if you want to hodl it for a long time, guys, because the base coins are going to start running soon because base is a layer 2 for Ethereum. You don't want to miss out on Brett too. Brett is the #1 meme coin on Base, on the Base blockchain. So you don't want to miss out on Brett either. Let's see, I don't see it right here, but let me pull it up. I know it's in the top 100, but let me pull it up real quick. Brett, the #1 meme coin, yes, rank 67, #1 meme coin on Base. It's also been lagging. It's been it hasn't run. It ran hard already, but then it had a big correction, and it hasn't started to moon yet. But once the meme coins start taking off again, guys, I do believe Brett could get to like at least a $20 billion market cap. So that's at least like a 15x from the current price right now, guys. I think you get anywhere between like maybe even $30 billion market cap. So somewhere between a $20 billion and $30 billion market cap. I do see Brett topping off this cycle, guys. So that would be somewhere around like like $1, like $2 right around there. And it would be like around $20-30 billion market cap, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on Brett, guys. Good things coming. Actually, let me see, it would be $1. If it did a 10x, it would be $1.69. So yeah, about it's about a 15-20x would be about $20-30 billion market cap, guys. So yeah, look into Brett, guys. Another good layer 2 for that might run pretty soon. Another layer 2 on the Ethereum ecosystem, guys. Now POL, I don't know about POL, guys. It did migrate, so I don't know if Polygon's gonna run that hard, but it might surprise me. I don't really recommend POL, but if you like it, go ahead. It might run hard pretty soon because it is a layer 2, on in the Ethereum blockchain. There's Arbitrum. Arbitrum is really another nice layer 2 for Ethereum. Let me see what else is good out there that I see on the top 100. Well, the bottom line is, guys, there's a lot of them out there. Just look up Ethereum layer 2s, and those are be good ones to buy right now, like Myria, XCN, Jasmine Coin, Optimism. So those are some ones that I recommend, guys. All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to do this Bitcoin update with you guys. Basically, stay bullish on the market, guys. Also SHIB. Can't forget about SHIB. SHIB is a layer 2 on the Ethereum, guys. Before I go, SHIB is gonna start running pretty soon right now. It did get as high as 0.000404. Like in March in March of this year, 2024, it did get as high as 0.0004, and the all-time high is 0.00008. 4 zeros and an 8. So I do think it's gonna go past its all-time high, and I do think the Ethereum layer 2s are gonna start running. So SHIB will be another good one to get into right now, guys. Or just any Ethereum layer 2 before they start running, guys. All right, guys. Remain bullish on Bitcoin and XRP and XLM. Bitcoin is about to break through 100K probably on Monday. I'm probably usually the weekend's pretty slow for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, but if not by Sunday night, by Monday for sure. I do see Bitcoin breaking through $100,000, and it'll start blasting off. It'll pass 110K, 120K, 130K, and it'll probably do a local top around 140K sometime between Thanksgiving and December 4th, right around there, guys. All right, guys, stay bullish in the market. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's make this channel grow. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.